an icon of civil rights. Martin Luther King was a leader of the African American civil rights movement. This lesson is his acceptance speech on the occasion of the award of Nobel Peace Prize in Oslo on December 10, 1964. This is an emotive speech in which Martin Luther King drew the attention of the world to the miseries of the Negroes of America. He says that he accepts the award on behalf of 22 million Negroes of the United States of America who are engaged in a creative battle to end the racial injustice. He accepts the award on behalf of the civil rights movement, which is struggling to secure freedom and a rule of justice. He questions the Nobel Prize organizers why they are giving this award to him when the movement he is representing is being humiliated and suppressed brutally. He accepts the award on behalf of the movement because he feels that it is a profound recognition that non-violence is the answer to the crucial political and moral question of our time. He says that the Negroes of the United States followed the people of India. They have demonstrated that non-violence is not sterile passivity, but a powerful moral force which makes for social transformation. By following the method of non-violence, they have won the new civil rights bill. He expresses his faith in the future of mankind. He believes that unarmed truth and unconditional love will have the final word in reality. So, right temporarily defeated is a stronger than evil triumphant. He has the audacious belief that people everywhere can have food for their bodies, education and culture for their minds, and equality and freedom for their spirits. He believes that what self-centered men have torn down, the other-centered can build up. He expresses his confidence that one day the children of the white and the black people will live together in peace and harmony. This faith will give them courage to face the uncertainties of the future, to go forward to win the freedom. He says that he has come to Oslo as a trustee and accepts the Nobel Prize on behalf of all who love peace and brotherhood. He says that this award is an honor to the known pilots whom he compared to the people who are leading the movement, and unknown ground crew whom he compared to the common people who sacrifice their lives for the people.